Hi guys, Stephen I for My Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. Today's date is the 8th of November 2024, and a few days after the Donald Trump and the Republican won the American election and taking historical winning like the House popular votes. It's unbelievable. But anyway, I just opened up another trade with gold. That's XAU USD, and we have bought 30 lots. That's a lot of investment into this product, and it's trading pretty well. It's up to $5,000 now, and very, very important too if you want to trade successfully on the stock market or the financial market anyway. Practice is very, very important. Now, some of the best times that you can trade, it's entirely up to you. The time now, it's the market in America is just closing. In New Zealand, it's 8:46. So the American's just closing, and I'm just catching the last little bit of the market as it closed. But it's making pretty good returns at the moment. Nearly, nearly $10,000 from a 30-lot trade. Now, according to my chart, I'm watching a chart on my computer while I'm doing the trade on the phone and recording on the phone. But anyway, thank you for the 1,000 subscribers to my YouTube video. And if you're new to my YouTube video, please subscribe, like my videos, and what happens is you'll get a ping on your end to say, Steven's made another video, would you like to come and have a look at it? And most of my videos just teaching people or showing people the opportunities, how they can make money or create fortunes for the future from, trading platform, mining on cryptocurrencies, and all other aspects that I find profitable that we can take advantage of and make a lot of money. So in this case, now the price here, hold on a sec, the price is fluctuating a little bit. According to the RSI, there's still more room to grow on this trade, and according to MACD, it's the same. And according also to the Bollinger Line, the price range has gone above its moving average, so it's more growth to come. There's more growth to come. I think at the moment it's just people, taking their profits just because it's come above the moving average line, and I could be doing the same. There's a fair bit of bucks there, fair bit of profit there, and I'm just keeping an eye on it to flick on take the profit, for example. And if it continues to grow, say $10,000, then I'd be happy with that. One trade has become very, very profitable in the morning session. But anyway, practice is one of the most important key, and don't give up practice. Practice, 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 and you get better and better with trading on any trading platform on the financial market. The more you practice, the better you'll get, and you'll see and do things or know things that I can't teach you, or anybody can't teach you, because it's a personal thing. Now, my profit there's over $10,000. I'm going to take it. Happy with that. And we close the trade. Now, if I want to open up another trade, I can do so, but I'm going to leave that for a little while. But more importantly, come join us in the VT market. There should be a link down below here. And you can start with, say, $100. That's if you're really, really, keen. And when you do, if, say, for example, you're going to use $500, regardless. Now, what's important is the amount of lots that you buy. Okay, if you only got a small investment, like $100, for example, this is really to test your ability if you can do so. Now, I'm not going to make a trade, but I'm just going to show you. Say you want to buy. Now, what is important is the size lot. Now, the size lot that's showing there at the moment is 0.01. You can trade with that just to give an idea how the market works and how your decision works, just to see for yourself. Now, you can change that to say 0.03. And that should be enough to carry you through and look after your investment. That's not a lot. But if it comes against you, then you can lose quite a bit of your money. So it's important also to know the size lot before you actually make the trade. Very, very important. But if you're very, very sure the market's going in the directions that you could see on the charts, then of course I would highly encourage to change that lot to say something like 10 point, or even go as 20 point. But you got to watch then the trade as soon as you open the trade, to keep an eye on it. Because as soon as you make your profit, take it, because it's going to be quite substantial. Now, if I go back to a little bit of my history. Hold on a sec. Now, the latest one there was 20 lots. Oh, sorry, 30 lots. I bought 30 lots of it and made $11,610. Now, I don't recommend you open up trades at that much, because it can easily wipe out your account. Why I said a small lots is just as appropriate when you're learning how to trade. So if you're learning to trade, just use 0.1 at the moment. If you're confident, then you can move it up to say 0.03. When you're really, really confident and you can see the market's really, really ramping in your favor, then of course you can certainly ramp up the size slot. So be careful using that size slot, because like I said, practice is the key. But if you want to get into it and start investing a bit of money, then do so with a higher amount. Now let me see, hold on, there's something that's happening here. I can see something. Hold on. I'm going to change that. $15 lots, done. Place order. Okay, I'll just open up another lot. Another order. Okay, now I'm just going to watch that and take my profit accordingly. That's that particular position with 15 lots. There's a lot of investment in real money, in real term. But of course, when you're correct, absolutely correct, what's the amount of money that can be made with a higher lot? But of course, be warned, a higher lot is also liable to blow up your account. So be careful. I'm just showing you because I can see the market is moving in a great favor. I can see it clearly on the chart. And now I'm using investing.com. Now, investing.com is a free service. You can pay for it if you wish. Or TradingView are some of the most comprehensive charting platform or website that you can use to track the market or track any assets that you want to trade with. Now, I'm watching mine on investing.com, and while I'm making this trade, I'm just keeping an eye on it because I'm getting ready to close it. But accordingly to the RSI and the MACD, there's plenty more money to be made from this trade, and more so, the Bollinger line is showing the price has dropped just below the moving average, which shows it's a strong there's a strong momentum, and then we're going to make a little bit more money from this open trade. It's a sell trade. We are looking at the market to drop a bit more, and basically just being patient to wait and to take your profits. In some cases, you just have to take the profit when it's presentable or presented. It's better to take profits than no profits. That's one of the key elements of trading. You know, once you see and you're a bit uncomfortable, and it'd be better just to take the profit and be happy with it. But accordingly, as I said, to the charts, there's a little bit more cash to come from this trade. So I'm just going to hold it back a little bit more and wait for more profits to arrive. Then we're going to close the trade. It's just fluctuating a little bit. That's common. But it is a high Sell lot. Sell is this, we're expecting this gold to go down. Accordingly, also to the charts, that's showing a strong indication of that fact. So it's a matter of just waiting and be patient. So we're really using what the chart is showing. The chart is your key tool to be able to see your trades. Yes, of course, your trades can come against you. But as long as we follow the charts and be patient, because everything that goes up always comes down, and everything that goes down always comes up. So it's understanding that fundamental issue and not to panic. As you can see now, we're back on the money. And that's where being patient to wait for the market to do its thing. And it's a very beautiful thing when you understand that's how the market does. We just got to be patient to wait for our payday while the rest of the world is doing exactly the same with us. Now, you're competing also against some of the best institutional traders in the market, and we are just retail traders. Now, it doesn't mean we can't make a lot of money from hanging out with the top boys, and we can. And understanding these facts, you will also understand. You put your trade in, let the market do its thing. That's the big players. And you're just waiting to take the cream out of what the big players are doing. It's like throwing a net out to catch some fish. It's literally the same here. You're just throwing a net out, just waiting now to catch some few dollars worth. Very, very simple philosophy and understanding. Hopefully we can, the market will give us some greens, some profits, just to show you. Just be patient. Because I've just put this trade in about 10 minutes ago. It has shown us a little bit of profit earlier on. But accordingly, as I said, to the charts, there's a lot more profits to come according to the charts and according to the market. I could be wrong, but that's the beauty of day trading, I guess, that you can analyze things prior, just using charts. But if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube video, do so, please. Do me a huge favor, subscribe to my YouTube video, like my YouTube video, and join VT Market. There should be a link below this video. Come and join and come and enjoy some of these profitable money-making processes and system on your phone. So download the app on your phone and begin trading on a demo account. Okay, it's stagnated there a little bit. Now, I'm a bit uneasy now because it's just sort of going flat. So I'm going to close this trade as soon as I get into some green and prepare for the next. But as we watch, that's what it's like trading. You just got to be patient, wait for the market to do its thing. And you're just getting ready to pull in the net full of fish. Now, if you want to stay in contact with me, there should be a link or information below this video to contact me on Telegram. Anything you need to know or how to set up your VT trading platform, just get hold of me and I'll give you a few ideas and hints. And just be warned, I'm not a financial guru or professional trader. I'm just a businessman looking for opportunities, and trading on the financial market is providing that sort of reality, I guess. And it's very, very exciting. So be aware, if you're going to invest some money, real money, only start trading at 0.01. Then you can take it up to 0.03 and a bit higher as you become to understand how the market is, your emotions, and some of the strategies that you can apply in trading successfully on the financial market. Now, you'll also notice I'm only trading with one asset class, that's gold against the USD, trying to avoid fluctuating or jumping from one asset to another. Now, we're on the money there, so I'm going to close my trade and be happy with that, because the market at the moment it's just fluctuating too much to be happy with that. So I'll trade for the day, and you'll see the dates. The 11th. The 11th of, the 8th of November. And these are the trades I just made this morning. But anyway, Stephen R. Ford here from R. Ford Fortune, creating fortunes for the future. We love you. God loves you. See you in my next video. Bye for now.